have you heard of the city of Klagenfurt in Austria before? If you've never heard of it, make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you all around Klagenfurt today. And if you're planning a trip to Klagenfurt, then you're in the right place because I'm going to be showing you all the best travel tips, spots and destinations here in Klagenfurt for your next visit. So let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video and welcome to a beautiful sunny Austria and specifically the city of Klagenfurt in Austria. This is one of the largest cities in Kärnten in Carinthia and it is absolutely beautiful. It is known for its beauty. It's located not too far from Italy as well, and nearby you can take direct trains to Slovenia too. So it is a really versatile location, but I'm going to be focusing on the city of Klagenfurt itself today. I'm going to be showing you around, showing you all of my favorite spots. We're going to be having a little bit of an explore together, and I'm currently standing in the first destination. If you're new here, my name is James. I show you great places to visit all around Europe on YouTube and on my other social media profiles as well, which you'll find linked in the description below. And I share all of my best tips, tricks, and advice with you, so you're not going to want to miss out. So make sure to leave a subscribe and make sure to leave a like too if you found this video helpful. We're starting off today in our first location in Klagenfurt, which is the beautiful Landhaus Garden, which is where I am currently standing. The Landhaus is right behind me. This is the main government building here in the city of Klagenfurt, but the garden itself is absolutely beautiful because there are beautiful flowers and also a lovely fountain too. Speaking of fountains, heading to our next destination is the Lindwurm, which is the main fountain here in Klagenfurt. This is the city's mascot. It is the city's emblem, and this fountain statue is located right in front of the town hall in the main square. It's impossible to miss, but it has so much history to it, as not only is it the city's emblem, but it has also been there since the 1500s. So this statue has so much history to it, and it literally has water spurting out of a dragon's mouth. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. Right guys, let's explore Klagenfurt together. I've got some more spots to show you, so let's get exploring. Okay guys, I have a little bit of a confession to make. I totally underestimated Klagenfurt. I thought it was just going to be like any other city here in Austria, but it is so beautiful and it has this Mediterranean flair to it, which is absolutely amazing. I wasn't expecting it. Of course, it isn't far from the border with Italy, but you can really feel the Italian influence here. It's totally worth coming. I am just standing in front of the Stadthaus, which is right behind me. It is the main theatre here, and the architecture is so beautiful. There are regular performances which take place here too, so make sure to check out the calendar if you are coming to Klagenfurt and you like going to the theatre, because apparently the building is super beautiful on the inside. Also, just to my right hand side and just off the screen is the Stadthaus, which is a beautiful art gallery. The building looks absolutely amazing from the outside, from the front, with the beautiful clock made out of flowers too. Right guys, we're going to head to the Botanical Gardens now, so let's get going. I have just arrived at the Botanical Gardens and I can't tell you how beautiful these Botanical Gardens are, and the best part is they are completely free to enter and they're open every day of the year. During the summer months it's open until 5 p.m, 1700 every day, and in the winter months, or the autumn and the winter months, it's open until 1600, 4 p.m. every day. It's really easy to get to. I've actually walked from the town centre here in Klagenfurt out to the Botanical Gardens. It's a really beautiful walk, which obviously goes past the city theatre and the art gallery, which I showed you guys before. The Botanical Gardens here are super beautiful. It's an entirely outdoor Botanical Gardens, but it's got various layers to it which you need to explore, and there is a beautiful waterfall too, and as well as summer bloom at the moment. It is absolutely stunning. I highly recommend it. But one of the absolute best things which I discovered on my way to the Botanical Gardens is this beautiful church which sits on the hill just next to Botanical Gardens. It is insane. It looks absolutely stunning, and it is honestly the perfect setting. Make sure you climb up the steps all the way to the top for the best views over Klagenfurt. You can literally see all the way onto the mountains. Right guys, it's time to head to the S-Bahn. We're going to head to the S-Bahn and we're going to head to the Wörthersee, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the lake and one of the villages there. See how much time we've got left in the day, because it is late afternoon now and I have to get back on the train this evening too. So as you will have seen from those last few clips, I've just been at the Wörthersee, and I got off the train at Velden Wörthersee, and now I'm just walking back to the train station. Whew, I'm so out of breath. Sorry, I am not fit enough for this. There is quite a little bit of walking to be done here around the lake. It is so beautiful. There are so many water sports going on. People are swimming, people are wakeboarding, people are sailing, and people are also paragliding, which is absolutely insane. They have like these paragliding things and you can pay to obviously go on one. It looks absolutely crazy. Today has been a really good day, but it's also been like really crazy and really tight for time. Like I just feel like I've been non-stop walking about literally like all day. So I'm really looking forward to be sitting in the train again and just chilling out as soon as I get on. I am literally that person who leaves it super last minute to get to the train station. The train is now here, so I'm going to jump on. So it's going to be the end of the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!